Hey everyone, more Super Mario Frank here. So I just want to make this little video. We're gonna destroy a fidget spinner, like it says in the title. So this is a fidget spinner that I used in my other channel, Super Mario Frank. It was trapped. And I left this fidget spinner outside and it rained and then it dried, so now it's all rusted. So let's destroy this some more, shall we? Alright, let's see. Okay, this one right here is starting to pop out. Let's see if we can get that one out. Here. Let's try to push this one out. Okay, we got this one out. Let's try to so let's try to get here, guys. I'm gonna try to get this one out. So I'm gonna set this down, try to get this one out. I'm gonna try to get the other one out too, guys. Here, actually, I'm gonna try to leave this in. Sorry, guys. Here, I'm gonna try to put him back in. All right, here, I put him in, and now we're gonna try to destroy the rest. All right, I'm trying to get the best shot. Oh, let's look at that. Okay, so not much damage. Yeah, I don't see that much damage. Okay, this is starting to pop out in the middle. That's the only thing I see. All right, let's do it again. Here we go. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see correctly, but nothing really happened. We gotta break this. Come on. We got it. Oh. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, so apparently it broke because I wonder where the other one of these bearings. I wonder where the other one went. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna take these out. Yeah, I'm gonna leave one in. So I just took one out. But guys, that's crazy though. All right, next we're gonna maybe screw that. We're gonna try to destroy this one. All right. Come on, we're just gonna throw this, that's all. Oh, where the heck did it go? Oh, here it is. Yeah, it's probably not gonna break. Screw it. Alright. Let's go back over here now. And try to destroy this one. Alright. Here it is. And this right here. Let's leave it right there. Now, try to push this. Oh, I couldn't really see. Okay, so not that much damage. Man, surprised. This thing, when I got it, it broke like a few minutes after I got it. I'm surprised this is actually still working. Oh, I think something just snapped off. Wait, where'd it go? Wait. Oh, here it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, the middle part came off. Come on. The middle part came off, guys. Guys, the middle part came off. Do you guys see it anywhere? Guys, it's gone. Guys, it popped off. I can't believe it. Look at this. The middle popped off, guys. Let me try to find it now. Oh, I think I found it. Here, I found it. Okay, guys, look at this. Guys, look at that. All right. Here, I'm gonna put this on the ground first. Put that. Okay, I'm gonna throw this now. Let me get this. All right, guys. I don't think nothing's gonna happen to this. So, forget that. Wait. Okay, now nothing really happened. Just one. I think some chips fell off out of here. Whatever. Oh, now I'm gonna try to destroy this. I want this to break. All right, here we go, guys. Come on, focus this for you guys. All right, nothing popped off or anything, I don't think. Nope, nothing popped off. Let's do it again. Yeah. Oh, guys. Okay, so the other one came off. Wait, yeah. So the other one of these came off. Oh, Alright. We're gonna try to destroy this now. Okay. Oh, did you see how that jumped, guys? That like jumped. Alright. Let's try to find the other one went away. I don't know where that one went. Oh, here it is. Alright, let's try to Oh, I just found a fan. So alright, let's continue with this. Oh, look at that. Alright, it didn't break. I'm very surprised how durable this thing is. Hold on, I'm gonna put my right hand on the camera this time because my right hand has more force. Are you guys really? It's still, oh my goodness. Alright, let's go this way now. Alright. Oh, it jumps, guys. But still didn't break. Okay. Oh, it jumps backwards again. Okay. You guys see this? Let's try again. Hold on. Oh my goodness. It still didn't, oh. It didn't break, guys. Let's try again. I'm gonna switch my hands again. All right. Right hand, here we go. All right, this time we're gonna do it really hard. Oh! Okay, now you guys didn't see this, but a little chip fell off. And it was so little that you can't even find it now. All right. Let's try again. Let's try again. Oh, no, don't go. Okay. Here it is. It still didn't break? Okay, let's try again. We're gonna try a few more times. Here we go. Oh, it went behind me again. All right. Oh. It didn't break, guys. Is this gonna snap or what? Oh no. Is this thing gonna snap? Guys. Hold on, guys. Let me focus this. You guys see how this is not breaking? This is so durable. Oh God, hit my leg. Look at that. Look at that. Let's try like 2 more times. Something like that. Focus this. Try to focus this. Alright, here we go. Let's try this. I feel like it's gonna break on this one. Ow! Hit my arm. But still didn't break. I'm gonna stand on focus. I'm gonna stand on this time. Hold on. Switch my hands again. Alright. Now I'm on my right hand. Alright. And it didn't break. Guys, I might not have that much force. Here, hold the camera. I do. Alright, so my brother's gonna hold the camera now. Alright, here we go.
I play Joseph.
Alright, yeah.
Where are you?
Okay, go over there.
Alright.
Yeah. Here we go, guys. Oh. Are you guys kidding me? I don't even have the camera in my hands this time. And it still didn't, Here, let's try this again. Let me try. Let's go over there. Here.
Okay.
Here, point that way. Yeah.
Yes.
Let's try this again. This is like crazy. Guys, okay, let's try this. So my brother's holding the camera now, and we're gonna try to hit this. We're gonna try to do this again. Okay, here we go. Are you guys kidding me? Still. Yeah, no, it's so dirty though.
Let me try.
Hold on, let me try one more time. Here. Hold on, I got this.
Hold on.
Hold it. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Here we go. Let's go this again. Oh! This one jumped. Oh! It did jump a few times, but still hasn't broken.
Wow.
This thing is so durable, though. All right, you try now. Here.
Okay.
All right. Do it like over there. Here. Over there.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh, it jumped again. But still it hasn't broken. Guys, this is the most durable fidget spinner I've ever seen.
You try one more time.
No, let me try this time. Here. Okay. Yeah, I'll try. Here. There are fans to try now. Come on. Let me got this. All right. Here's the fans gonna try now. Here we go. One. Oh. Alright, let's see. And it still hasn't broken. Wait, hon. No, hon. Guys, there are like so many dents in this though. But it just still hasn't broken yet. This is the most durable fidget spinner I've ever seen. Guys, did you guys not see how many times we threw this on the ground? Just guys, I'm gonna try a few more times. Maybe I'll bang it against this. Hold on. Guys, I'm gonna go over here now. Alright, I'm gonna bang it against this metal thing. And it still hasn't broken. Guys, let's try one more time, okay? Alright. Let's try to break this again. This thing is so durable. Yes. Guys. Well, guys, what can I bang this on?
It's impossible to break.
That's here. Right here. You guys. Alright, let's try one more time.
Whoa.
Oh my. Guys, did you see how I broke this one at the top? Like only like one time or two times. It took me like only like 5 hits to break this on the top. But like, it took me like 30 hits to try to break these two. This is just crazy, guys. Here, let's try again. Whoa! I jumped on that one. Oh. And now, guys, there are like so many dents on this. Alright, guys. We're gonna try this again. Now, if it does not work,
Quit banging against the pole. Let me talk to you. No, like, whip it harder.
alright, we're gonna try to whip it at the pole. Ready? Let's try to whip it at the pole. Oh, I missed. The pole's so skinny. Here. I'm gonna try to bang it. Ready? Here we go. Are you guys kidding me? Okay, so apparently this kid doesn't want to break. Screw this. It just doesn't want to break, guys. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the trash can now. I can't do it, guys. Break already. Break. Oh, that jumped. But it just still hasn't broken. If it could jump that high and still hasn't broken, that's just crazy. Here, fans are doing it.
There you go.
Alright. Alright, guys. Alright, it landed like... Oh, okay, it landed up here. But you guys know, it still hasn't broken. We're going to try to bang it against this thing one more time. Alright. It's just crazy, you guys. Crazy. Oh, let's try. Okay, let's do this again. That's like the 30th time. I don't know, like, I'm not keeping track.
I have been.
Guys,
How's it going?
I just don't know what I need to do. This thing. Oh, did you guys see that? What happened this time? Guys, look at that white dot right there. The fidget spinner made that mark, but still hasn't broken. Guys, I am done throwing the fidget spinner. It just decided not to break. So here it is, and here's this part, and here's the other bearing. We're gonna try to do other stuff with it, like bend it. The fan's gonna try to bend it. So here you go. All right, here you go. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that. You see how that bended? Alright.
It's not bending.
Yeah, it's not bending. This is durable. Anyways, I'm just done, guys. So we're gonna try to do something else. Maybe I just don't. We're gonna wait a minute. Did you guys notice how this broke? I'm gonna try to put this one in and then try to here. I'm gonna put this down there for a minute. Alright. Alright, now I'm gonna try to here. Hold this. Hold that. Hold this one. Hold that. Alright, so I'm gonna try to now. Alright, now I'm gonna try to smash this. Alright. Guys, I'm actually thinking it might work now. Here we go. Let's hope this works. Oh, how did I not know? It didn't break. Alright, let's try again. I realized this came out. You guys look, this is the black thing. It came out. That's gone. That is gone. Alright, let's try again. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Guys, it went under there. Guys, you guys see that? Do you guys see it? It's gone.
Wait, I got it.
So,
Where?
It went under this.
Is it in the middle or is it far to the other
I
side?
don't know.
It's not even there, I don't think.
I saw it go. If it went under there though, it's gone. Okay. Alright guys, so that's the end of it.
Ended up like getting lost.
So I didn't really even like that fidget spinner. So
I don't get it.
I saw where it went. I know it went under here. It's gone now.
Can you hold this for a second?
Yeah. Alright, so guys, it's gone. Here, we're gonna try to get it with a stick. Do you see it?
I don't see it.
I don't see it either. It magically disappeared.
Oh my god, you got like Dora the Explorer up here. Wait,
are
you going?
Oh, we're done.
I know where I went.
What? Guys, so we couldn't find it, which was pretty sad. Wait, whoa. Guys, what's that? Is that it? That's it. Alright, we're gonna find a stick and we gotta get it out. It's stuck under there. We can't get it now. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And please subscribe, guys, and like this video. And see you guys in the next video. And I am so sorry that I'm behind in videos. We started school, so that's a pain in the ass. So I have to go now. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Hey everyone, more Super Mario Frank here, and I did not get braces yet, but my orthodontist put something metal in my mouth, so now I talk weird, okay, to let you know that. And so this is a few days after I finished breaking that fidget spinner. We got it stuck under that garbage can. Alright, I went to GameStop that day, then I had school the next day. And then I had homework, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't finish the video, but I had time because I finished my homework. It's around 10 o'clock at night. I just want to show you guys. While I was at GameStop, my brother was looking for a stick and found the stick, and he got it out, guys. He did hit it, slam it in the ground a few times, and let's focus this. It's not focusing. Forget it. Okay, so anyway, my brother found it, and well, he didn't find it. He got it back, and yeah. So this is the final result. How to break a fidget spinner, and yeah, we lost 2 of these things. Actually, I don't think we lost them. They're probably sitting across the street right now, or sitting in the parking lot. So anyway, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. And sorry, I'm late on uploading. I have lots of homework now, and I'm gonna be behind. I'm very sorry, guys. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys in the next video.